Hi, it's Katie Boatshed Bourgogne. I'm on a Nicols from 1993, 11 meters and 60 for the length, 3 meters and 17 for the beam, a large saloon, a well-equipped galley, a brick fridge working on gas, microwave, one steering position inside with a great view, three steps lower we can found the cabin, big bed for 2 persons here, two berths here for 2 adults, and the main cabin, forward cabin with a big inland bed, (1.40 m) large, already 2 meters long. The headroom is everywhere between 1.17 m to 1.18 m. Wet room. The engine is from origin 45 horsepower, if you need some more further information about this boat, do not hesitate to call me, Katie Bourgogne, Boatshed Bourgogne.